Hey guys, I am back. Let me give you an update on my hair. So I've had these Faux Locs in for almost 3 weeks, if not 3 weeks. Not as long as I planned on having it. I wanted to have them in for about 4 to 6 weeks. That didn't work out, but I mean 3 weeks is still very long compared to what it could have been. So I'm still grateful for that. And I got a suggestion. Someone wanted to know how I took them out without damaging my hair. I don't usually just cut the hair, because sometimes, well, in the past, I would reuse the hair or recycle the hair or in some type of way. So my plan isn't to do that this time around. So I'm just going to show how I take the lock out with scissors and without scissors. Okay, so all you have to do is just find your knot. Here's the knot in one of my locks. I'm gonna take the knot out and then unravel it up. Take the knot out at the top and just pull it on out, just like how I did it. I'm just doing it in reverse.
Calm down, take it slow. Say the key, let my come in my yard, them give me low. If you're tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. She say, yeah,
Here's my braid, here's the hair, the knot is up here, gotta take the knot out.
It's Vkillz.
So this is the hair. Now you don't have to take the hair out like that, but I only do it if I want to recycle the hair, reuse the hair, fix a lock, redo a lock. You know, it's a good way to preserve if, you know, you need it.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Bang. Do y'all see my bang though? Because my bang was like, not, I mean, clearly didn't grow in 3 weeks, but I'm just saying over time, my bang, I cut it a couple months ago.
Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first.
Okay, so what I'm doing right now is to make it go faster, because I know my braid could slip right on through. I just go to the top and I tug and pull at it. I'm able to find my braid inside and I pull my braid out. Then I go to the top, I undo the knot. I don't even undo it because you have to pull it all the way through, but I loosen it so that once I loosen the knot, this is the knot, I cut right here and it'll be able to come right out.
If you're tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. She say yeah, bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the
It's
vibe.
Vkillz.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original. Just say no, 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 no.
Well, here it is. It really took me like 20-30 minutes. Wash this thing, and then you guys are gonna see my next style. If you have any questions or anything like that, please let me know. I hope you liked it and I hope it helped. Make sure you subscribe and like and click on everything and comment. Love you guys.